Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to day 46 of this 60-day trading rule-based trading challenge. And today was we incurred a stop loss, a minor stop loss. I would say it's not the entry stop loss. Indeed, it was entry stop loss, but not the regular stop loss. I'll explain what kind of stop loss it got triggered. And there was no scope for stop and reverse trade today because VIX had already cooled down, and today being the monthly, index expiry day, it was anticipated that to be highly volatile, and generally on a event days and including the monthly expiry day, not the weekly ones, but this is the monthly expiry day. We try to avoid the second and subsequent trades. So all in all, the day was a learning perspective. It was a good day in terms of understanding the perspective of what happened over there. So, looking at the trade, like we at 9:45, we felt our strategy gave a positive, meaning bullish indication, and that is how we sold the 24,550 put off next week, because on a expiry day we generally trade in the next week's instrument, and accordingly we sold the 24,550 put at 104 rupee 75 paise. Just less than an hour or so, like maybe 50 minutes later, we had to exit the trade at 124.55. I'll explain the logic behind this. So this is the entry price. Entry price was rupee 104.75 at 9:45, and this is the exit. Why did we exit? See, this is the place at 9:45. I think this is the candle at which this is the index which I'm showing you on the right side of the chart if you are observing. So this is the where my pointer is there. This is the candle, that is a reference candle where our entry happened of selling the put. And previous to that, this was the level which was the low for the day. So we generally mark the, as I said, like 9:20 to till the time we take the trade, we will mark the high and low. That becomes our opening range. And here, this was the lower end of the range was here, and which is like as you see on the top over there, the low price of this is 24,779.70, which is 24,779. So if had it closed before the 24,779, we are supposed to exit. So it was actually moving in the within the range till 10:25 or 10:30. In fact, 10:30 candle also, we should have exited or soon after the 10:30 candle, but there was a hardly less than a point below it closed. So we said like let's have at least 5 points of extra additional safety point, and but hence the next can we waited for the next candle, and this is the candle where it clearly closed below the opening range, and that is the 10:30 candle which closes at 10:35, and that is why 10:35 exactly at 10:35, as soon as this candle confirmed and closed, we exited the trade. As you see the timing also here, 10:35.06 thing. We just waited for that candle to close, and then soon after that we exited the trade over there. And that is how the we suppose if we had not this rule was not there, probably we would have ended in a profit for the day, because post that it never hit the initial stop loss, and then post 12:55 or 1 o'clock it started coming down. So we would have trailed the stop loss, and we would have probably ended the day in a profitable day. But rule is a rule, so we just have to respect the rule. We just stuck to the rule. Today it probably appeared like it would have been better to continued with the trade, but some other day it would have punished us thoroughly. So we whole game is about sticking to the rule. So irrespective of the profit or loss, we just stuck to the rule. So coming to the trading journal, So 24,550 put we sold, and then at 104.75, and then we covered it at 124.55. So we incurred a trading cost of 62.5. So that is a cost of 15, sorry, that's a overall loss of 1547.50, which made us to drop our P&L again once again to 15.15. And obviously the equity curve also got another dip today. So it's okay. P&L is not the focus, as we said. Like, we were able to stick to the rule. So that's how the trade details for the day. And just an update is, although this 60-day period should have got over in the week of June 16th, since I won't be available during the week of June 16th. So the last 2-3 days of this trading challenge, the 56 or 57 days later, the till the 60th day, which falls in the June 16th week, I won't be available. So we will be doing it little later after completing the 56 or 57 days. The remaining days there will be a small break, and we will continue post that. So that's all for the day. Thank you for your continued support. See you tomorrow for the 47th day of this trading challenge, and hope everyone is getting something to learn from each of the days trade analysis. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.